next man is a real talent. Actually made a wood stove from plastic bottles. Not only is the size small and the fire strong, the cost is less than $1. Just see him cut the bottle into 2 halves, and then directly into the bottle to fill the cement, and then put the foam prepared in advance, then fill it with cement. Flush with the foam. The village picked up a round steel frame and put it in the center, and there was the ash drop for the wood stove. A piece of foam was then placed on the side to fit well with the round pipe. The trash can picks up a ring of wire mesh and inserts it, which acts as a reinforcement for the wood stove. After that, keep repeating what you just did, tapping the bottle as you fill it with cement, leaving no gaps. This time, fill it directly with cement and scrape it to make it flat and smooth. Wait 2.5 hours. Bring a pot holder and place it like this, leaving a mark. After the cement has set, pull out the center tube and the strip of cloth, and then start to take off the protective film. Directly simple and rough. The plastic bottle directly tear open, not the slightest influence to send to the waste station for recycling. Then clean up all the foam inside the wood stove. Sweep the dust. So a good looking and practical wood stove is completed. Next try the effect. The fire is super strong. Cooking all kinds of proficiency. The screen in front of you moves.